Let's go to page 203 and start with number 278. So you have 2 points. You got 2, 12. You got negative 4, 10. And you're looking for the distance between the 2 points. So this is point 1, point 2. So that's your x1, y1, x2, y2. So the distance between them would be just using the distance formula. So it'd be x2 minus x1 squared plus the y2 minus the y1 square, and you sum and then you take the square root. So d equal to negative 6 squared give you 36, and this will give you negative 2 squared give you 4, and so d equal to square root of 40, and you simplify, right? 2, 20, 2, 10, 2, 5. So this comes out, so it'd be 2 square root of 10. And that's it. Okay, let's go to 279. It says a straight line is drawn with legs of length of 3 on the x-axis and 4 on the y-axis, lying along the positive of the coordinate axis. Find the coordinate of the midpoint of hypotenuse. Okay, so what you have is, okay, a right triangle is drawn with leg of 3. So this is 3 on the x-axis and 4 on the y-axis. Okay, so this is a triangle, and you're looking for the midpoint of the hypotenuse. Okay, so again, the coordinate of this point would be 3, 0. Then the coordinate of this would be 0, 4. And the midpoint, when you're looking for midpoint, it's just average of the two. So you add and you divide by 2, so it'd be 3 over 2. And you add, you divide by 2, give you 2, right? So again, you add, you divide by 2. To find the midpoint, you just average the two numbers, and that's it. Okay, let's go to number 280. Okay, so how many points with integer coordinates are exactly 5 units away from 0, 0? Okay. So for this one, you kind of have to really familiar with your perfect, the 3, 4, 5 triangle. Okay, so here just 0, 0, and okay, so 5 units away from, so obviously the first point is right over here would be 5, 0, right? And another point over here would be negative 5, 0. Okay, and the same thing, you go up 5, so it would be 0, 5, 0, negative 5. Those are obvious ones. Okay, but you have to recognize, you have to remember your 3, 4, 5 triangle. Okay, so if you go 4, you go up 3, so this would be 4, 3. This will also give you, 3, 4, 5 triangle. You also can go 3 and then 4, right? 3 and 4. Okay? And then after that, you just kind of do the same thing. When they say you go 3, 4, you can go 4, 3. You go 4, 3 over here, and go 3, 4. So basically using all the 3, 4, 5 triangles. So go 4, 3. If you go 3, you get 4 right over here. Okay? And you count the numbers, so there would be 12. There will be 12 dots. So answer would be 12. Okay, so there are 12 points with the nice integer coordinates. Okay, let's go to 281. Okay, find the equation of the line passed through. So you're looking for the line that passed through the point 5, 7, and cut the area of the circle in half. Okay, so you got x plus 12 square plus y plus 3 square equal to 4. Okay, so if the line cut through the circle, cut the circle in half, then it must go through the center. Okay, right? So you can, the line must be the diameter of the circle, so you have to go through go through the center of the circle. So in case the center would be -12, comma, -3. Okay, so this would be the center. And now you have 2 points. You can find the equation of the line going through that. Okay, so again, the line goes through this point and goes and cut it in half. So you have to go through the center. So now you got 2 points. So first, let's go and get the slope for these 2 points. So slope equal to the y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So the slope is going to be equal to -10 over -17. So slope equal to 10 over 17. Once you find the slope, then you can use the point and slope to get the equation. So you're going to get y minus y1 equal to slope times x minus x1. Okay, and you can, again, 1 means the point 1, or just any point that is on the line. So you can have y minus 7 equal to 10 over 17 times x minus 5. And then you can go and work it out. So y minus 7 equal to 10 over 17x minus 50. You just multiply it over 17. And then after that, you plus 7 on both sides. So y will equal to 10 over 17x. And you can add this together, will give you, will become plus 69 over 17. Okay, and so this would be the equation fulfill that requirement. Okay, let's go to, okay, this one we got enough space on here. Okay, so number 282, you have a triangle with a vertex of 10, 66, 1972, and 1756. And you're looking for the centroid of the triangles. So you have a triangle and you have a centroid. Okay? Now to find the centroid of the triangle, you just go and average the coordinates. Okay? This is like midpoint of the shape. Okay? See, when you have midpoint of the segment, then you average the two to get midpoint, right? But to get a midpoint of the shape, you just average the whole the vertices. So you add all this together. Okay, you get 46, 194. Okay, and you divide it by 3 by your averaging, right? So the center or centroid is going to be a 46 over 3, 194 over 3. Okay, so the centroid, the center of the shape or the center of gravity would be this. Okay, let's go to number 283. Find the distance from the point 57 to the center of that circle. Okay, so you have 57, and the circle is 4x squared plus ax plus 4y squared minus 16y minus 16 equal to 0. Okay, so you're looking for the distance between this point and the center of the circle. So first we have to find the center. To find the center, we need to go and complete a square. First, let's go and move this over. So you got 4x squared plus ax plus 4y squared minus 16y equal to 16. And next, let's go and lower the number. So dividing by 4. So I got x squared plus 2x. I'm going to leave a space, get ready to complete a square. And this will cancel also. I got y squared minus 4y equal to 4. Okay, so now to get a perfect square, I can get the template ready. So this would be x plus 1. So I need to get plus 1 here. So I need to plus 1 here. This one I get y minus 2. So I need to plus 4. So plus 4, so I get 9. Okay, so the center is going to be at -1, comma 2. And the point that you have, so the point is at 5, 7. So to find the distance between them, we just apply the distance formula. I'm going to use this minus this point. It doesn't matter which is 0.1, which is 0.2. So use this minus, you kind of avoid a lot of negatives. So you're going to get 5 minus -1 square. And you got 7 minus 2 square. So distance will equal to 6 squared give you 36. 5 squared would be 25. So D equal to the square root of 61. Okay, let's go to 284. Okay, so if A, B are greater than 0, and the triangle in the first quadrant bounded by the coordinate axes and the graph A x plus B y equal to 6 and has area equal to 6, find A times B. Okay, so if you sketch these things out, see over here again, if you apply the intercept technique, so if you lay x equal to 0, then you're going to get y equal to 6 over b. Okay, so that's your y-intercept. If you lay y equal to 0, then x will equal to 6 over a. So those are your intercepts. So 0, and this point would be 6 over b. So the height would be 6 over b. And this over here, this point would be 6 over a, comma 0. And so this would be 6 over a. Okay. And so here is your triangle. Okay, and so now to figure out a times b, we apply the formula for the triangle. So area of the triangle is equal to 1/2 base times height. So substitute everything in here. So k equal to 6. B is a base. So this b is not this b. Okay, these are different b's. This is the intercept b. This is the base for the formula. So they are not the same thing. Or let's use capital B then. Okay. Okay. So the base would be 6 over a, and the height is 6 over b. Okay, so let's go and cross multiply everything. So I got 12ab equal to 36. Okay, divide by 12, so ab equal to 36 over 12. So ab equal to 3. Okay, let's go to 285. Okay, parallelogram, ABCD have the vertex at ABD, and you're looking for C, and it tells you it's in the first quadrant. What are its coordinates? Okay, so it seems complicated, but if you sketch it out, it's actually fairly simple. Okay. Okay, so A is at 0, 0. And then D is at 5, 1. Okay, so 5, 1. And then B is at 2, 4. Okay, so this is the parallelogram. So the way to do it is you just follow along. See, you just take 2 points. So this one you have to go 5. This one you have to go over 5, 1. So this have to go over 5, 1. Same amount. Okay. So you start at 2, you go 5. Okay. So this point becomes 7, right? So again, from here to here, you go 5 plus 5 plus 1. So you go plus 5 plus 1. Okay, and that's it. So it'd be 7, 5. Okay, and so that would be a point C right over here. So you can just follow along, trace, right? Just from here you go along. Right? It's a parallelogram. So you go 5, 1, right? You go 5, 1. So you go 5, 1. So you do the same thing. You go 5, 1. So just add 5. You get 7 plus 1. You get 5, and that's it. So sometimes if you sketch out and follow that, it's fairly simple.